understand. This is known as phi x. Okay, and uh, this is indefinite, and suppose it is definite. Please try to understand. It is indefinite and it is suppose definite. Now, actually, what is happening here? You see, fx dx integration. It is a, it is b. Actually, what is a and what is b? Here, value of x, a and b. We have taken two values of x, a and b. Okay, please try to understand. Here, a is called the lower limit, and b is called the upper limit. Please try to understand upper limit. You see, it is in the upper position, it is in the lower position. Okay, so we can write it.
রাইট সাইডে x এর আগে কি লিখেছেন?
Right side before x. This is here.
স্যার রাইট
Phi,
সাইড
phi, phi, phi.
This is known as phi, and this is pi, and this is psi. Please try to understand, huh? Okay, this is phi. Okay, this is psi, and this is pi. Pi, phi, psi. Okay, so what you are getting here, we have got just only one thing: a is lower limit and b is upper limit. Okay, that's good. Now it can be written, you see, it can be written third bracket. This is phi, as I told you, phi x. Okay, phi x. Third bracket is done. This is a and this is b. Please try to understand. Now, what is meant by this? It is nothing. Phi, write down phi b minus phi a. It is equal to this, phi b minus phi a. Okay, in the definite integral, we don't have any constant value. I mean, we don't have any plus c. Okay, everywhere in indefinite integral, we used to write down plus c. Can you remember, please? Everywhere we used to write this plus c, plus c, plus c. Okay, every math at the last. Okay, but here we don't have any constant because it is independent of constant. I mean, I'm going to discuss it again. You see, suppose we let, you write down, let phi x is equal to phi, it is, sorry, psi x is equal to phi x plus c. We have taken another rule. Okay, now what we know, this is a, this is b, this is fx dx. Okay, it is equal to what? Let me know. It is equal to, we can write here phi b by the definition minus phi a. Okay, now you just put this value of b. If it is a function of psi x, sorry, it is a function psi x. Now put the value for b, psi b. So we are getting here phi, this is phi b plus c minus, it is psi x, psi a, put the value, this is phi, okay, a minus c. So you see, we are getting here phi b minus phi a. So you see, in the answer, we don't have any c because this plus c and minus c will be omitted. Okay, another thing, suppose this is minus a b. Okay, fx dx, it is given minus, equals to what, you know, equals to, it is b, it is a, phi x dx. Okay, because what we have done, we have just exchanged this value have been exchanged. Okay, what is happening here? You see, what is the formula here? Let me know. Here the formula is, it is minus, suppose phi b, okay, minus phi a. This is the value here, right? This is minus and its value is this, okay? Now we can write minus minus plus phi a minus phi b. And it is that. It means phi upper value at first, upper value a minus lower value. Always this, okay? Actually, in short, I am telling you upper value minus lower value. Let's do some maths, then you will come to know everything. It is the most interesting exercise. You see, question number 1. Please pay attention. It is upper limit is given here as by 2, it is 0. And the math is 5 x to the power 4 dx. Just let me know. What will be the result? It is 5. It is x to the power 5. It is by 5, right? This 5 is here. X to the power 5, 4 plus 1. Okay. Now give here third bracket, this 2, 0. This is 2, this is 0. This is the math. 5 will be omitted. So we are left with x to the power 5, third bracket. This is 2, this is 0. Now what is the formula? Upper limit minus lower limit. That means for x, it is 2. So 2 to the power 5 minus 0 to the power 5. So our answer is 32 and we are done here. Talk to me. You did up to this for, up to exercise 10.5. Okay. Now you have to do this, only this calculation, nothing else you have to do. Upper limit minus lower limit. This 2 is the value of x. This is the value of x. As I told you at first, that x equals to a and b. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, এখানে প্লাস সি দেওয়া লাগবে না?
Sorry. No, I
Sir.
told you it is free of constant. I told you and I gave you the proof. Can you remember? Plus c minus c I omitted, and we didn't have any c. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now for this it is definite. If you give plus c, then it is indefinite. Okay. This is 3. This is 0. Okay. 3 minus 2x plus x square. 3 minus 2x plus x square dx. Very easy and simple. You let me know. 3 means for 3x. Minus 2x means what? Let me know. 2 x square by 2, right? For x, it is what? X square by 2 plus x square. That is x cube by 3. Okay. Are you getting me? That means it is the third bracket. This is 3 and this is 0. Okay. This is 3 and this is 0. Now what will you do? Here we see this 2 will be omitted. Okay. Now you put x equals to 3. X equals to 3, that means 3 into 3 minus 3 square plus 3 cube by 3. This is the value of b. This is b and this is a. Phi of b minus phi of a. This is the formula. So this is a. This is a. We will consider it. This is a and this is b. Okay. Is it? So we are getting here minus phi of a. Here it is a 0. So everything is 0. We are getting only 0. 0, 0, 0. X is 0, 0, 0. So everything will be 0. Now this is the calculation. This is 9 minus 9, 0. This is, we are left with only by 9. And it is our answer. Okay. It's really very, very easy. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, going to do another math, question number 5. Suppose it is 4 and 0. It is 4, it is 0, root over x plus 1 by root over x dx. Okay, let me know. What will you do? It is 4, it is 0, it is x to the power half, it is x to the power minus half. Talk to me. So x to the power half, that means what? X to the power half plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. X to the power minus half plus 1, that is half, that is by half. Top to bottom, third bracket, it is 4, 0. It is 4, it is 0. Talk to me where you have failed to understand. Okay? Hello, everybody. Now, we'll put the value. We will put the value 3 by 2 means what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x. X means 4. 4 to the power 3 by 2 plus half means what? 2 into 4 to the power half minus. It is 0. So it is 0. It is 0. Everything is 0. Okay? I'm not going to have any functioning on 0 because if x equals to 0, it is 0. If x equals to 0, then it is 0. So everything is 0. Okay. Now you calculate, please. You see it is 2 by 3. It is what? 4 to the power 3 by 2. That is root over 4. Root over 4 means 2. 2 to the power 3, that is 8. It is 4 to the power half, that means 2. Talk to me. 4 to the power 3 by 2. That means 4 to the power half to the power 3. 4 to the power half means root over 4. Root over 4 whole to the power 3. Root over 4 means 2. 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 8. Okay, very easy and simple thing. So we are getting 16 by 3. 16 by 3 plus 4. So 3 4 is 12 plus 16, that is 28 by 3. That is the answer. Okay. We are getting a certain value for this. It is called what? Definite integral. Okay. Okay. We are going to do some other maths. Question number 2. Suppose it is based on previous maths. All the maths are based on previous math. Suppose it is given 40 dx by 40 dx by root over 2x plus 1. Root over 2x plus 1. Can you do it? Okay, you can do it. That I know. This is 40. It can be written 2x plus 1 whole to the power minus half dx. Okay. Now you have to calculate like this. This is 2x plus 1 whole to the power minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1 means half. This is again half, and the coefficient of x is 2. This is 2. Talk to me. This is 4 and this is 0. Okay. You see minus half plus 1, that is half, this half, and coefficient of x is 2 will be divided. Okay. So we are getting here actually 2 omitted. Okay. So we are getting here, you put the value. That means 2x plus 1 whole to the power half. Okay. 4, it is 0. This 2 will be omitted. Now you put the value, that is 2 into 4. This is 4. 2 into 4, 8 plus 1. Okay, that is 9 to the power half. It is 0. So 0, that is 1. Okay, minus, you see, it is 0. So it is 1 to the power half. So that means it is 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Very easy and simple calculation. Have you got it? Or I am going to show it again. Perhaps you may be wrong. You see again. What is to do? 2 into 4 plus 1 whole to the power half minus 2 into 0 plus 1 whole to the power half. You see, I have put the value of x equals to 4. This is x equals to 4 minus x equals to 0. This is 0. Now you see, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 to the power half, that is 3 minus 1 to the power half, it is 0. 1 to the power half is 1. So we are left with only 2. Okay. Yes, it is okay. So we have same type of math and not going to do all those maths. Going to question number 4. 4(1), that is dx by, it is 1, it is minus 1, dx by x square minus 9. Okay, so we can write here 1 minus 1 dx by x whole square minus 3 whole square, right? Is it or not? Yes, it is. So what is the formula? Let me know. 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. A means for 3. Ln x minus 3 by x plus 3. It is done. Top to bottom, third bracket. This is 1, this is minus 1. This is 1, this is minus 1. Okay? Is it? Now you put the value. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Okay? At first, you have to write down ln x equals to 1. Put here. Ln 1 minus 3 by 1 plus 3 minus 1 by 6 ln x equals to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 by minus 1 plus 3. Talk to me if you don't understand. Okay, at first the upper value, then minus the lower value, nothing else. You please try to understand. At first, I have to put the value of x, but it will be the upper value 1. Then minus the lower value of x. Now nothing is left just to calculate. Actually, we are done. You see, 1 by 6 ln, talk to me, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 4. Okay. Minus 1 by 6 ln minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. That means 1 by 6, 2 by 4 minus half. That is only half. 1 by 6 ln only half minus 1 by 6 ln only 2. Okay. That means we are getting 1 by 6 ln half divided by 2. It is minus. So half divided by 2 means what? 1 by 6 ln, what is the value? Half, that is again 1 by 4. Okay, you can give it or not. No. But we have not got the answer. Am I mistaken anywhere? Hello, everybody.
Sir, answer the key.
It is 2 and minus 1. What was the limit hour? Can you please let me know what was the limit?
Minus 1, 1.
Oh, anyway, it is our answer. We can write it here 1 by 6 ln 1 by 4. Okay, you see what was the given limit. Actually, I mistook to write down the upper limit. Its upper limit was 2 in the question, but it's okay as per my question. Okay, not a matter, very simple. Okay, now I am going to do some maths which are really very important. 5-1. It is dx by 1 plus x square. 1 0 dx by 1 plus x square. Just let me know. What is the formula? Tan inverse x. It is what? Tan inverse x. Talk to me. This is 1, this is 0. Okay. Now you put the value of x. Tan
স্যার আগে একটা
inverse.
1/e আছে না ওনা ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
Okay. Now you see it is tan inverse x equals to what? 1. Tan inverse 1 minus 0. So tan inverse 1 is what? You let me know. 1 means what? Pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Talk to me. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus 0. No need. So this will be omitted. So we are left with only pi by 4. It is our answer. Talk to me, all of you. You did a lot of maths in physics on definite integral, right? Okay. Now I am going to do another math. Question number 6, important, very important. Write down important math. This is 1 0 1 plus x 1 plus x by 1 plus x square. Who can do this math? Talk to me. Okay, you cannot do, right? Not a
এটাকে
matter.
পার্সিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশনে নেব
Yes, you are absolutely right. 1 0. This is dx by 1 plus x square. Okay. Then plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Talk to me. This is 1, this is 0. Now you see, we can write it. It is what? Tan inverse x. You write down tan inverse x. This is 1, this is 0. This is plus. Now, if I write here, you see half 1 0 2x dx by 1 plus x square. Okay, if we differentiate this, then we'll get this. Is it?
ইয়েস স্যার
Talk to me.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay. Now you talk to me. It is tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 minus 0, this part. And here it is plus half. Talk to me. What will be written here?
স্যার ln of 1
Very
plus
good.
x square
Ln absolute value 1 plus x square. Okay, is it? Now
স্যার
you
এটা
see,
লিমিটটা
now you see the limit is to be given like this. 1, it is 0. Okay. Now let's calculate. It is pi by 4, as I told you for the previous math. It is plus half. Now you see ln 1 plus 1, value of x is 1. Ln 1 plus 1 equals to 2 minus ln 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay. So what we are getting here, pi by 4, you see ln 2 minus ln 1, it is 0. So half ln 2. And we are done. Ln 1 is 0. or it can be done like this. You see, it can be done ln 2 by 1 division. So we are getting ln 2. Pi by 4 half ln 2. Yes, you are right. Now we are getting another math, question number 7.1. Okay. Pi by 2, 0. Pi by 2, 0. Trigonometry is now going to be started. Now all the maths are of, trigonometry basis. Cos square x dx. Cos square x dx. Okay. What will you do? Talk to me. Half, right? 2 cos square x dx. Now what is the formula? Talk to me. Half pi by 2, 0. It is 1 plus cos 2x dx, right? Yes, it is. Now it can be written half pi by 2, 0, 1 dx plus half pi by 2, 0, cos 2x dx. Okay. Now you see, it is half 1 dx means what? Only x, right? Pi by 2, 0. Again, it is again half cos 2x means what? Sin 2x by 2, right? It is pi by 2, 0. So we are getting here actually half. This is only pi by 2. With 0, it is 0. Plus 2 to the 4, 1 by 4. Then talk to me. It is what? Sine. What will be? Sine 2 into pi by 2. It is 0. Sine 0, 0. Now what is the value of sine pi?
0.
Very good. So 2 will be omitted. You see. So 2 will be omitted. So sine pi is 0. So this part is 0. So we are getting answer pi by 4. And we are done here. This is the answer. Okay. 7.1 pi by 4. Is it okay? So it is really very easy and simple math. Dear students, you all will practice this math at home. This is pi by 2. In the same way, it is sine square x dx. You will do it at home. Okay. Now going to question number 81. It will be given as homework. Okay. Now question number 81. It is pi by 2, 0. Pi by 2, 0. Okay. And cosine cube x. Cosine cube x dx. Okay. Now just let me know what is the formula of cosine cube x. We know cosine 3x equals to what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula. This is the formula of cosine 3x. So from here we can find the value of 4 cos cube x can be written as cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Okay, that means cosine cube x is equal to 1 by 4 cosine 3x plus 3 by 4 cosine x. Okay, so we can write here the value pi by 2 0. Write down 1 by 4 cosine 3x plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 cosine x. Okay, is it? So top to bottom, first bracket dx. Okay, now you have to integrate. Let me know how we can integrate. Okay, is that it is write down 1 by 4 cosine 3x means sine 3x and coefficient of x is 3. 3 by 4, it is 3 by 4 cosine x is what? Sine x. Top to bottom third bracket, it is pi by 2 and it is 0. Is it okay? Now you put the value of pi by 2, x equals to pi by 2. Okay, that means we are getting here 1 by 12 sine 3x, that is sine 3x, 3 into pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2, that is 270 degree. Okay, plus 3 by 4 sine pi by 2. Okay, and this is 0, so everything will be 0, minus 0. Now let me know what is the value of 3 pi by 2 sine. What is the value of sine 270 degree? All of you. What is the value of sine? Sorry?
-1.
Very good. So we are getting minus 1 by 12. Pi by 2 is what? 1. And it is 3 by 4. That is 12 is the LCM. Minus 1 plus 439. That is 8 by 12, 2 by 3. This was 8-1. I have to verify the answer. Yes, we are absolutely right. 2 by 3. Okay. Now, homework 8-2, that is pi by 2 0 sine cube x dx. Can you do it at home? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you remember one thing, dear student, that I did a lot of maths on this. This is pi by 4. This is 0. This is sine 4x. Can you remember we did this math? Hello, everybody.
অনেকগুলো আমি একটাই করেছিলাম।
Even we have got another math. This is also pi by 2 0 cosine 4x dx. Can you remember that I did this math and this math? After doing this, you will just put the value. Will I do or you'll do? So all those are important
পরের
math.
দিন একটা
Which one? Let me know. Definitely not this.
9-1.
9-1. Okay. Very good. So we are going to do question number 9-1. Okay. You see number 9-1. This is pi by 4. This is 0. Okay. Sine to the power 4 x dx. Okay. You write down. We get. At first write down sine to the power 4x is equal to, we get what? Talk to me. 1 by 4 into 4 sine to the power 4x. Is it? That means we are getting here 1 by 4 to sine square x whole square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That means 1 by 4 2 sine square x means what? 1 minus, talk to me, cosine 2x whole square. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now we can write it 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine a square 2x. Okay, that is 1 by 4 minus 2 by 4. That is half cosine 2x plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into this. So we can write here into half into 2 cos square 2x. I mean, this half and 2 have been taken. Okay, that means 1 by 4 minus half cosine 2x plus 1 by 8, 4 to the 8. Okay, actually we can keep it in the first bracket. Now 2 cos square 2x, talk to me. 1 plus, talk to me,
So
cosine.
cos 4x.
Very good. 1 plus cos 4x. Which can be written 1 by 4 minus half cosine 2x plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cosine 4x. Now you see 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. If 8 is the LCM, then we get 2. This is 2, 4, 2, and this is 1. 3 by 8. Okay, we are getting 3 by 8. So we can write down here, actually it is equal to 3 by 8 minus half cosine 2x plus 1 by 8 cosine 4x. It is actually sine to the power 4x, but the math was sine to the power 4x dx. This is our math, 0 pi by 4. This was our math, right? So it is equal to, you integrate this. If I integrate this, we will get 3x by 8. 3x by 8. Okay. This is minus, it is what? Half into cos 2x, that means sine 2x by 2. And this is equals to what? 1 by 8 cos 4x means what? Sine 4x by 4. Okay. This is pi by 4, 0. Okay. Now we can do another line. 3x by 8 minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 by 32 sine 4x pi by 4, pi by 4, it is 0. Now you see, actually for 0 everything will be 0, so we'll be I mean doing maths on pi by 4 only. That is, you see 3x 3 by 8, 3 by 8 value of x is pi by 4, done, minus 1 by 4, it is 2x sine 2 into x is what, pi by 4, okay, plus 1 by 32 sine 4x, 4 into, what is the value of x, pi by 4, minus 0, you have to give here, minus 0. And for betterment, I can, or you can give like this, so that you can easily understand. So we are getting 3 pi by 32 minus, it is what, pi by 2. If we calculate, we will get pi by 2, sine pi by 2, 1. So only 1 by 4, it is 32, 4 will be omitted, sine pi. What is sine pi? 0.
0.
So we have got our answer. It is 0. So if we get 32 LCM, then 3 pi minus 4 is the 32. And this is our answer. I have to see the answer. This was 9-1. 3 pi by 32 minus 1 by 4. Okay, they have kept this answer. It is the answer. Okay, not a matter. So I hope, my dear students, you will please also do question number 9 too. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now the most important math, question number 10-1. 10-1, this is pi by 4, this is 0. Dx by 1 plus sine x, dx by 1 plus sine x. Okay, can you do it? What will you do? Write down. We get 1 by 1 plus sine x equals to what? You calculate it at first. Let me know. What will you do? What I told you? To multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus sine x. Can you remember, please? Talk to me. I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus sine x. Have you got it or not? This is my question.
Yes, sir.
I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus sine x. Okay. So actually we are getting here 1 minus sine x by cos square x. Okay. That means 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x minus sine x by cos square x, right? Now let me know what is 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square means what? Sec square x. And it is what? Sin x by cos x, that is tan x. And again 1 by cos x, that is sec x. Therefore, if I write this pi by 4, it is 0, dx by 1 plus sin x. This is the value. 1 by 1 plus sin x is value this, which is equal to, you have to integrate this. Sec square x equals to what? Tan x. This is sec x, third bracket. It is pi by 4, 0. Pi by 4, it is 0. Now it is your, turn to do it. Now let me know. You just start putting the value. At first, you see first bracket tan x is what? Pi by 4 minus sec pi by 4. This 0 minus 0, tan 0 minus sec 0. Now let me know what is the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. Sec pi by 4, that means cos pi by 4 is root of 1 by root over 2, so it is 1 minus, okay, minus tan 0 0. Now let me know what is the value of sec 0. If cos 0 is 1, then sec 0 is what?
1.
1. Have you got it? So actually we are getting here 1 minus root over 2 minus 0 minus minus plus 1. That is 2 minus root over 2. Answer. Okay. In the same way, dear students, you all are required to do question number 10 to at home. That is, please you do it. Pi by 3 0 dx by 1 minus sin x. Okay. What will you do? You will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x. Okay. Everybody, you will do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. Now going to do question number 10.3. Question number 10.3. That is pi by 2 0 dx by 1 plus cos x, dx by 1 plus cos x. What will you do? Talk to me.
So 1 minus cos x দিয়ে multiply করব।
No, you're wrong here. 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square x by 2, right? Yes, it is. That means half pi by 2 0, it is sec square x by 2 dx. Okay. Now let me know. Sec square x means what? Tan x. Tan x. Okay. What is the coefficient of x? Is half. So it is half pi by 2. It is 0. Talk to me. Actually, are you getting it? You see, this half will be omitted. So we are left with tan x by 2 pi by 2. It is 0. Now put the value. What is the value? Let me know. We are getting here tan x by 2. So x is pi by 2, pi by 4. It is tan pi by 4. It is 0. Tan pi by 4 means what? 1. No need to write down that means 0. It is our answer. Okay, everybody. Going to question number 11.1. This is sin x sin 2x dx. Pi by 2, 0. Sin x sin 2x dx. Okay. What is the formula? Talk to me. Pi by 2, 0. What can we do? This is half 2 sine 2x sine x dx. Now let me know 2 sine s sine b formula. What is the formula of 2 sine a sine b?
Cos of A minus B plus, sorry, minus cos of A minus, কি বলতেছে আমি? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B.
Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. Okay.
স্যার
Now
লাস্ট লাইনটা মুছেন না।
that I know, if I rub, then how I can write pi by 2 0 2x minus x equals to what? Cosine x minus 2x plus x equals to cosine 3x dx. Okay. Now it is to be integrated. Very easy and simple. Not a matter. Okay. You see, cosine x is what? Cosine x is what? Sine x. Cosine 3x is what? Sine 3x by 3. Top to bottom, third bracket, pi by 2 0, and it is half. Now you put the value pi by 2. So it is half sine pi by 2 minus it is 1 by 3 sine 3 pi by 2 0, all are zeros, 0 0. Okay. Now just let me know what is the value here. Okay, half sine pi by 2 is 1 minus, let me know what is the value of sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 270 degree is what?
So minus 1.
So I can write here plus. Okay, minus 1 minus, so it will be plus, right? So 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. So half into 4 by 3. So we are getting again 2 by 3. That is question number 11 1. Yes, question number 11 1, 2 by 3. Okay. Now question number 11 2, you will do it at home. Pi by 2 0, cosine 2x cosine 3x dx. What will you do? You write down half into 2. Okay, will I do it or you will do it? Talk to me.
Sir, আমরা করব।
Sure?
জি স্যার।
Really?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, that's good. Now question number 12 1. It is also pi by 2 0. Then sine square x cos x dx. Can you do it? Let sine x equals to z. So we are getting cosine x dx equals to dz. So your math has been very easy, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
But we are not done, because it was x. For x, it is pi by 2 and 0. But very interesting, it is z. So where will get the value of z? So you write down when x equals to pi by 2, x equals to pi by 2, then z equals to what? You put the value of x equals to pi by 2, so z equals to 1. So your math has been very easy, because it was pi by 2, now it is 1. Okay? Write down when x equals to 0, x equals to 0, then z equals to what? Z equals to sine 0. So sine 0 means 0. So actually we are getting now the math very easy and simple. You see, it is pi by 2. Now it will be 1. Write down, it is 1, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0. So sine square x, that is sine x is z, z square. Now cosine x dx is what? Dz. Have you seen that your math has been very, very easy and simple, right? Now you see, it is what? 1 by 3 z cube. Is it? It is 1 by 3 z cube. So we can write like this: 1, 0. For 0, everything 0. So we are getting only 1 by 3. 1 cube means 1. It is our answer. Talk to me. Actually, our math is very small, okay? You see? And we have to do all other maths on the basis of this math, okay? Now, going to do another math, and that math also was done by you earlier. You see, not today, but other day. Cos to the power 5x sin x, pi by 2, 0. Cos to the power 5x, cos to the power 5x, and it is sin x dx. What will you do? Talk to me.
Sir, cos x के ये तो वो
Very good. Write down. Let cosine x equals to z. Okay. So we are getting minus sin x dx is equal to dz. Okay. That means we can write down sin x dx is equal to minus dz. Okay. Now, when x equals to pi by 2, when x equals to pi by 2, x equals to pi by 2, I'm sorry, pi by 2, then z equals to what? Talk to me. If x equals to pi by 2, that is cos 90 degree, we get z
0.
equals to 0. When x equals to 0, when x equals to 0, we get z equals to cos 0. Cos 0
1.
means what? We are getting 1. Okay, very interesting math. So we are getting here, you see all of you, my dear students, it is minus. So it is minus pi by 2 is 0, it is 1. Cos to the power 5x, z to the power 5, sin x dx equals to minus dz, minus has been written, it is dz. Can you remember that I told you if it is minus, then limit will be changed. It will be 1 here, it will be 0 here. Talk to me. Is it okay? I showed you that at first. At the beginning of the day today, I just showed you. Now you see, it is what? What is the formula? Z to the power 6 by 6, 1, it is 0. That means if Z is 1, 1 to the power 6, that means 1. So we are actually getting only 1 by 6 because with 0, everything is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, going to do the next math. Question number 12.3. 12.3. Pi by 2, 0. Pi by 2, 0. 1 plus cos x whole square into sin x dx. This is the math. What will you do? Talk to me. Same thing. 1 plus cos x equals to z. Okay? So I think now you can do it. It is homework. This is 0. Now, question number 13(1). Tan square x sec square x dx pi by 4 tan square x sec square x dx. Can you do it? What will you do? Tan x equals to z. So we are getting sec square x dx equals to dz. Okay?